Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the process of integrating Stripe with your WooCommerce store for seamless payments. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the process of integrating Stripe with your WooCommerce store for seamless payments. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through each step to connect Stripe to WooCommerce, so you can start accepting payments quickly and securely first. Ensure you have a WooCommerce store set up on WordPress, and that your WordPress installation is updated to the latest version next. Head over to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. Here, you'll want to search for the official Stripe WooCommerce Payment Gateway plugin. Once found, click Install Now and then Activate to enable it within your store. After activation, go to WooCommerce in the dashboard sidebar and select Settings. Within the Settings area, click the Payments tab and find Stripe among the list of payment methods. Toggle the option to enable Stripe payments for your store. To proceed with the Stripe configuration, you need to create a Stripe account if you haven't already. Visit Stripe's official website and sign up. Once logged in, access your dashboard and locate the API keys under Developers API Keys section. Copy the publishable key and secret key displayed in your Stripe dashboard and return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste these keys into the provided fields in WooCommerce Stripe settings. Make sure you choose the correct mode, Sandbox for testing or Live for actual transactions. Before finalizing the setup, configure additional settings like webhook endpoints to ensure your WooCommerce store receives real-time payment notifications from Stripe. You can find the webhook URL in the WooCommerce Stripe plugin documentation and add it under Stripe's webhook settings in your Stripe dashboard. Test your integration by making a test purchase using Stripe's test card numbers. This step is crucial to verify everything works smoothly without charging real money. Once your tests confirm the setup is functioning, switch your Stripe mode to Live. Remember to save all changes and clear any website caches to avoid configuration conflicts. Your WooCommerce store is now successfully connected with Stripe, allowing your customers to pay securely using popular credit cards and various payment options offered by Stripe. Regularly update your plugins and monitor your Stripe dashboard for transactions and alerts. Thank you for following along. If you want more expert guides and thorough tutorials, stay connected with us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content.